In this video, I will show you how to fix the entry point not found dynamic link library error. First, open your browser and search for Visual C++ Redistributable. Open the official Microsoft website, scroll down to the latest supported Visual C++ Redistributable, and download the x64 version. If you're using a 32-bit version of Windows, download the x86 version instead. Once the download is complete, open the installer, accept the license terms, and click Install. Wait for the installation to finish, then restart your computer. After restarting, open the Start menu, search for Command Prompt, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type the following command and press Enter. SFC scan now. Wait for the scan to reach 100%. This process may take several minutes and will automatically detect and repair any corrupted system files. Once the scan is complete, restart your computer one more time and try opening the application or game again. If the error still appears, make sure the application is fully updated or reinstall it to replace any missing or damaged files. And that's how you can fix the entry point not found dynamic link library error.